we are back for the fourth soap in the mystery soap series. As always, definitely leave your comments below on what your guesses are for the mystery soap theme, and let's get started with the next soap.
Okay, we are ready to make our fourth soap. So as always, I have my lye water solution here. I've already added my sodium lactate to it. And then over here we have our base oils. So we are going to combine these two together. And then with my stick blender, we are going to mix this to emulsion. Now I've already mixed up some of my secret colorants here. We are splitting the batter into two different containers here, and I'm going to pour a little bit of my colored part into the plain batter. And mix those two until we get two tones of pink. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of something secret here just to lighten up one of the colors so we have a bit more of varying shades of pink, and then I'm just mixing that with my spatula. All right, now I'm going to mix a little bit more of that lighter pink in just to kind of get these colors a little bit closer and add a little bit more to the darker pink. And then I have measured off my fragrance oil and I am adding that to the batter now. And I'm going to mix these in by hand just so that I don't have any issues with my stick blender when I combine these. Now I'm going to be mixing the darker pink into the main pot here because we are doing a in the pot swirl. So I'm going to scrape all of this soap batter out into the one pot. And now we are just going to do a simple pour into the mold. All right, now we're going to set this aside for a few minutes while I get my soap frosting ready. And these are the embeds we are going to be using for this soap. Each one will get one of each of the type of embeds. All right, and this is what the soap looks like. Now we're going to let this one set for probably 2 to 3 days until it hardens up, and then we will unmold and cut. All right, we are ready to cut this soap. I'm so excited to see what this one looks like. So I am lining up the loaf and we are going to make the first cut. And this is what the inside of the bar looks like. I really love the colors of these. I think it's so pretty and I'm really happy with this design. All right, next up I am going to be doing a little stamp. Now I didn't quite have the right stamp for this, so it's a little bit hard to see and it was a little tedious. So if I ever make the soap in the future, I will have to purchase a different stamp for this. And the stamp impression isn't as deep as I would like it, so it's not as noticeable. So that is one complaint I have. All right, so here is the soap and on to the next hint. Musical instruments make up most of the local. The tenor, soprano, and basses are vocal. Harmonious music floats through the air. The alto sings melodies without a care. The baritone belts out a beautiful tune, bellowing a deep register of rhythm and blues.
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next mystery soap video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.